Hi Founder, happy blessed birthday. Maraming salamat sa Panginoon sa buhay mo at naging parte kami dito. Thank you sa lahat ng blessings na sinishare mo sa amin. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Sana marami ka pang matutulungan ng mga kabataan, lalong-lalo na sa mga bata sa bahay ampunan. Thank you dahil naging part kami sa iyong charity, which is yung pag-share ng iyong blessing sa mga bahay ampunan, sa mga bata. And sana marami pang taon na darating sa buhay mo. Huwag kang magbabago. Stay beautiful with a good heart. And thank you dahil nandyan ka palagi na nakasuporta. And take care always. I love you with the love of the Lord. Enjoy your day. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Founder! Wishing you a day filled with love and laughter. Thank you po sa lahat ng blessings po na binibigay niyo sa aming mga EJs. Kasi every time God give you a blessings, you always share it to us. And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tulong niyo po na binigay sa aming EJ. May your birthday be filled with joy and laughter. Wishing you the happiest of birthday.
Hi everyone! First, I would like to greet a happy birthday Founder Amy. I hope that you will always be happy, healthy, and a blessing to everyone around you. More birthday to come. Enjoy your special day together with your loved ones. And also, thank you so much for giving me opportunity to be part as one of AJ family. Once again, happy birthday Founder Amy.
Hello, Madam. Happiest birthday to you. At sana bigyan ka po ng maraming birthdays together with Sir TV. And thank you so much for all your support and helping many people, especially in AG family. We're so blessed to have you, Founder. Keep safe always. And God bless. We love you so much. Once again, happiest birthday to you.
Hello po, Ma'am Emmy! It's your day today! Ayan, happy birthday po! We love you all and we're so proud of you po, and hindi po kami magsasawang magte-thank you po sa inyo sa napakagandang gawain na ginagawa niyo po, patuloy na pagtulong sa amin, hindi lang po sa amin, pati na sa ibang mga tao na mas lalong nangangailangan. So thank you so much po, Ma'am Emmy, for having a good heart, a great heart. We're so proud of you po na naging founder po kayo namin, nakapasok po kami dito sa agency na ito at nag-grow po talaga ako ng dahil dito. So nagkaroon ako ng maraming friendship, ayan. So naging nadagdagan yung aking mga friendship at nag-grow pa talaga ako, as in improve yung aking self-confidence. So, nang dahil po sa inyo yan. So, walang sawang pagpapasalamat po sa inyo, Ma'am Emmy, sa inyong araw nga ito ay sana wish ko ay marami pa kayong matulungang tao, ayan, at bigyan ka pa ng God ng good health at mahabang buhay na iyong gugugulin pa sa mga mabubuting gawain at magpapatuloy pa rin po ang inyong mabubuting gawain. Ayan, napakabuti niyo pong tao. Isa po kayo sa hinahangaan ko because you're a very generous kind of person po. Ayan, di na po ako mag-i-English kasi mawawala na naman yung moment ko. Ayan, so napakalaki po ng inyong puso sa bawat isa. Ayan, so dapat po kayong tularan. Nang dahil sa inyo, marami pong nag-grow talaga sa EJ Agency. So happy birthday po. Wish you all the best na. O yan, na all the best na yung wish ko sa inyo. Hindi ko na mabilang ang aking wishes. Basta I wish you all the best na po. So good health, long life. Ayan po. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, we love you po, Ma'am Emmy. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Hello po, Ma'am Emmy.